हेलो दोस्तों, मैं आपको आज जॉय टाउन के मज़े कराने जा रहा हूँ। ये जॉय टाउन इवेंट BMW का इवेंट था मुंबई में एंड मैं उसकी हाइलाइट्स आपको दिखाऊंगा वहाँ क्या क्या हुआ। कार्स एंड कार्स आप देख सकते हैं। इस इवेंट में हम लोग पहुँचे और उसके बाद जो गाड़ियों का डिस्प्ले था एंड स्पेशली M कार्स, वो एक अलग ही फ़न होता है और उसका मज़ा ही कुछ और होता है। ये देखिए, ये M340i, आई मीन व्हाट अ पावरफुल कार दिस इज़। वो बोलते हैं ना कि अगर आप प्रॉपर M कार के मज़े लेना चाहते हैं और उस बजट में नहीं है तो M340i इज़ वन ऑफ द पेट्रोल कार्स हैविंग दैट इनफ हॉर्स पावर टू रेव यू अप। एंड ये देखिए, स्मॉल एंड ब्यूटीफुल मिनी कंट्रीमैन, एक अलग ही मज़ा है इस गाड़ी को चलाने में और इसको मॉडिफाई किया हुआ है काइंड ऑफ कैंपर वैन। एंड ये देखिए इनकी हिस्टोरिक रेंज ऑफ मिनी कूपर कार्स जो यहाँ इवेंट में डिस्प्ले में करी हुई है। और ये देख सकते हैं आप, दिस इज़ मिनी कूपर, ऑस्टिन कूपर, अर्लियर इट यूज्ड टू बी। सो you can see MRZ 1181 1963 Austin Mini Cooper. So it's a vintage car which is also on display. Then you see the latest design. You have this Mini Cooper 3-door, and this is also one of the good selling cars in the market. What a beautiful car, and this is obviously Austin Powers color. That's the favorite, one of the favorite spy cars, I would say, livery you can see in these cars. Beautiful, I'd say small and beautiful. And who can imagine 1963 cars still being maintained? थोड़ी बहुत फोटोग्राफी तो बनती है. A bit of photography is must for us. So you can see the slogan behind Big Love Cars. So old, small and beautiful, right word to say that. तो जब सब लोग फ़ोटो खिंचा रहे हैं तो भी फ़ोटो खिंचाऊँगा डेफिनेटली. सो थोड़ी बहुत फोटोग्राफी इन कार्स के साथ, इट गिव्स यू अ विंटेज लुक एंड विंटेज फन दिस विद दिस कार्स. I am somehow not able to leave the love for these cars. I mean, I can just imagine how these cars must be driven in 1963s. So beautiful. चलिए नेक्स्ट सेक्शन की तरफ चलेंगे. हमने एक बार ये गाड़ियाँ देख ली थी तो फिर हमने सोचा इवेंट में आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं और क्या चल रहा है. सो देयर आर वेरियस थिंग्स, you have on display BMW lifestyle products. And remember, this event was in BKC Bandra. So and there was a live concert also which was being arranged and which is going to happen in the evening. थोड़ा सा उसका भी शॉर्ट्स में आपको दिखाऊंगा. And they have given these events also. So this is to have a vertical climb on the wall. And just to share with you, I won this event. So I didn't know that I'll be able to do this. I went right till top and came down. तो आप देख सकते हैं, it's not so easy. हाँ, देखने में बहुत easy लगता है ये कि आप आराम से ऊपर चढ़ जाओगे. But I was sweating like hell because you need to have a strength control on your body and because it's a vertical climb. So आप थोड़ा सा भी hooks को छूटते हैं अपने grip से, so you tend to straight away fall, right? So not a easy ask to do, but I completed. I'm so happy कि मुझे बिना फेल हुए ये करने को मिला. It was such a nice event, and this is the only physical thing I liked it, hiking. So I just simply love it. आप भी इसको अगर ट्राई करेंगे तो सोच समझ के करें, क्योंकि ये देखने में इजी लगता है बट वर्टिकल क्लाइंब इज नेवर इजी. नाउ यू सी द लास्ट बिट, यू हैव टू कैच द लास्ट वन एंड सो डिफिकल्ट. आई स्लिप्ड वंस but I regained control, and once you have the right grip, see, all you have to do is take the weight on your shoulders. So your shoulders should definitely be strong, otherwise you will not be able to lift your body. So थोड़ा बहुत pull-ups करें घर में and that will make your body strong. then you can climb on this vertical lift. There we go. So I reached on top, and they announce you won that square box you have to touch. Now you can come down easily. So I would say this was the highlight highlight for me for this event, which is really good. And of course, me and Sonia, we were together in this event. So she's there, and this is BMW Motorrad section, and there you see live concert is going on. Yeah. So obviously I can't show the original voices and music. So, but I'll be doing voiceovers, so you will definitely like it. Yeah, this event started around 5:30ish, and this was supposed to go till 8 o'clock. So good. I mean, I didn't know these singers much, but I liked the beats and music which was going on over there. Next section की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Go to the next section. So once we finish this, I mean, we just had a small glance through. So then we said, let's go to the next section, and that's the best part of it. I love it. Screeching noise of tires, burning of rubber. Tires, it gives you a feeling of real racer you have. You can see this is M6 which is coming in, and once it passed by us, smell of tires burning through. Wow, wonderful, wonderful. This is the highlight of this event. I just came for this because you cannot have better than this. And now you watch slow-mo video, you watch the smoke coming out of everywhere from the tires. Wow, wow, wow. Simply you can say that. And you know what? After this, I just have this one of the paintings done of mine. I don't know, I didn't understand that. I'll show you the painting which was made there, and this is what it is. It was not looking like me. I don't know how they say they are painting this. चलिए next event में चलते हैं. You have iCars. There is i7 which was getting launched, and this small section was event which was kept for this i7 launch. We got a view, or rather we got a chance to have a look and take a walk around video of this car. What beautiful car, I would say this i7 is. Of course, top of the luxury line, top of the power, and it is BMW, right? So what better you can expect from BMW from this car? Smiling faces, what else? You see the grill, that's the kidney grill, which is a trademark of BMW, and see the headlamps, latest design. You have 20 inches wheel and M logo on the side. Gives you a real good feeling what is BMW all about. Luxury and sportiness. Sportiness never go apart from BMW, I'd say. So what a car. And this car got launched, and this is doing good in the market. Of course it has to do good. So I would say stunned to have this car and have a chance to take a walk around video of this, sit inside the car. Have a look on the steering wheel, interiors. You cannot find flaw in these M-powered i7 cars, I would say. Let's go to next cars. That's the X6. Then we are sitting in the X6, smiling faces again, and good panoramic sunroof video. That's the X7. I just love somehow the grills of the BMWs and the BMW logos and the headlights. They're superb, and I mean, as I said, this M logo gives a different feeling to you as a driver. And moment I don't leave a chance to show you this M logo. That carries a value, M is for motorsports, and all the cars with this M badge has different set of power and different set of thrilling experience which can be taken by drivers. And this is X-Drive 40i, so X7. Wow. So next next from X7 cars, let's take you to another one, which is the next car. After I finish this X7, let me just finish it. Hi Sonia. So she's smiling, of course. She is also having a chance to sit inside the car and enjoy the interiors of the car. So let me also go inside the car and have a feel of the driving seat and steering wheel. It's always typical BMW, and see the central console, and you have this lighting which is running, and these are in million colors. You can adjust the colors accordingly on the infotainment system. iDrive, the latest version. That's total modern, I would say. Concept cars. And after this, we had this nice dancing troupe in BMW colors. So we had this such a lovely event which ended up with dance. So enjoy the dance. So good, friends. This is the event is getting over, and we are going to move out of the event now. I hope you like this small vlog, and do share, like, and subscribe my channel and enjoy. This is Joy Town, your host Naresh, signing off. Take care, stay healthy, stay fast, be with good cars. Enjoy.